Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on your computer. It is pretty easy. Go ahead and type Python download on Google and click the first links and click this download button. So I highly recommend you to download the latest version of Python. After the download completed, click open and run, and it is pretty easy. You can install it like you install normal software. So you have to make sure to click this one. For example, it is very important. If you don't check this, your Python won't be run. So it is very important to check this one and click install. So it will ask administrative privileges and click yes. So I'm going to pause this video. After the installation complete, I'm going to come. Okay guys, now the Python has been successfully installed and you need to close it. After the installation complete, go ahead and type CMT in your search bar and type Python. So if you get this prompt, that means the Python has been successfully installed in your computer. So next things, you need to install a text editor. So the basically text editor is used to write computer programming code. I'm going to suggest the Sublime text editor because it is one of the great text editor for programming and Python programming especially. So I highly recommend you to download this one and install on your computer. So it is a basic installation and you can install it very quickly, so you don't need to worry about anything. Just click next. After then the text editor will be installed on your computer. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you Python programming. I'm going to start to teach you Python programming, and thank you very much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel.